$20,000 in my fucking hand. 2 shoes.
What is it, Dior's? Shit, bro. Hell yeah, man. Welcome to Status, a place where you can get your ink addiction fix. Get tatted, bro, ink your whole body. A place where culture meets high fashion. Unconventional as fuck. Yeah, got the latest pair of Yeezys. Woo! Yeah, it's a Hypebeast wet dream. The latest Air Maxes, Jordans, the Off-White, all that shit. We got them all. Supreme, name brands, they're all here. We understand the mythology of it all, putting on, purveying for the culture. We stock the place with the best stuff. Look, we source, we buy from the deepest depths of the world. We scour the internet to bring you all the heat.
It's light right here. Friends and family, Chunky Dunky. Had him before everybody. That's something that I don't know if you knew that. We had him at the time, what was it, like 2 months, right, Christian? Yeah, 2 months before everybody, bro. These we had too, right, beforehand? Bro, I don't even remember now. We were moving so fast, but these we had pre-released too. Very big shoe. I mean, any shoe that we get, bro, honestly, is an iconic shoe for, you know, the valley and for the scene, because it doesn't really pop out here like that, you know. These don't release here. These release in skate shops. We don't have skate shops here.
You opened just before the pandemic hit. How's business been?
It's been good, man. You know, the people have been supporting him. That's just really what it really comes down to, you know, and us grinding hard into bringing in, you know, all this heat. You know, we've been working on buying. At the end of the day, if we don't have the product that the people want, we're not gonna be relevant, you know. So we're really working on a website. It's kind of getting, you know, in the works right now. When we drop that, we really want to stay focused with our inventory online as well. So that's kind of why we kind of pace ourselves, because at the same time we don't want to push out the website and kind of like not have the inventory for the in-store, you know. We want to focus on the in-store experience first. We're gonna work it soon though. It hasn't been easy, but working, you know, trying to stay relevant. Right now we're working on the fall-winter collection, and with that stuff that we have going on, we're actually waiting on some blanks right now. We're trying to bring in like some high quality shit. This is stuff that high quality brands use. It's actually pretty expensive garments, but this shit, man, is next level. We're dropping some hoodies, dropping sweatpants, and we're dropping beanies, and that'll be our first time, you know, dropping a fall winter collection, you know. That's what Mike is working on right now, trying to get some crazy going for those hoodies. Our racks are fucking hot, bro. Like, I swear to God, let me pull some.
Oh man, bro.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I mean, it's getting there, man. Peep the shit. It's European. We really just installed the bookcase, and that bookcase is gonna have like all the heaters. We're working on it right now. They just installed it. Yeah. A lot of the people want to wear, you know, Status branding. We're trying to push quality, trying to bring in, you know, nice fabrics, you know, things that will set us apart from, you know, the standard. To us, Status kind of represents like not where you started, but where you get to. You know what I'm saying? It's like you acquire status.
Follow us on Instagram.
I want to stop to you. Alright, bro, you stay up.
Smoking for 2020. Every 420, 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 smoking for 2020.